Hey crazy crew, what's up? Sorry, the intro of this video is horrible audio. I don't know what happened. So guys, subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy the video. Hey crazy crew, what's up? First time back in a video after I got hacked. You guys know that, if you guys are part of this. Before we start, let me just introduce a guest who used to be on this channel a lot. His name is Gabe.
Hi guys, what's up? You guys know me from some of the other videos that he used to make, but the hacker
got hacked. So today we're getting free games, hacked games, a lot of other stuff,
and free coins and games.
and I'm gonna show you guys how to keep it forever, not just like 1 week, then that's it, forever.
It's time to show you tutu.
So we're back, and before we start getting all these stuff, you have to subscribe.
You have to subscribe, you have to
Like
it,
and share the video with your friends,
and if you do share, comment that you shared.
And we'll subscribe back, maybe like some of your videos. So,
Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you could plug your Instagram in the comment section, and
okay, so now
you might get a shout out.
1 second, pop second. Let's start. Open Safari, go to Google or whatever, type tutu, tutu app.
Tutu app.
And links in description, or you can go tutuapp.vip. Just go search tutu on Google or Safari or whatever.
And then
you
you'll
use.
see tutu
And it'll come up,
VIP.
but we have horrible Wi-Fi, so it will not come up yet.
Can we just skip till it comes up?
Okay, so we're back. It opened. Took a while, but I switched the Wi-Fi to my own Wi-Fi because I'm a savage.
So check your settings if your Wi-Fi doesn't work.
You go, press the regular. If it's not on regular already, press download now. Wait a second. And press install right there. Install.
All the things that come up that say cancel, just don't click them, and
that makes no
install
sense.
would come up. So.
No, just wait for it to say install. Okay, so we'll be back when it's done. Okay, we're back. It installed right there. And this pop-up will come up. Don't worry. It says untrusted, inspired, developer, whatever. Doesn't matter. Just press cancel, go to settings. Whatever you're not meant to see is blurred out. Sorry about that. General, scroll to the bottom. Device management, press that. See this right here? It's not going to say that all the time, but right now it says that. It might be different for you, but you're just going to find this box over there. There's going to be this blue square or rectangle. I'm not trust, but it says trust. You press trust, and that's about it for now. Now you're able to open this right now, see? Right now, if you would just leave it, you'd be able to get apps, but they won't stay forever. So you just swipe all the way and press get now. Wait a second, there might be ads. Install now. Wait a second, press install. And then that should be starting to install right there. We'll be back when that's done. Okay, so it's installed. So you guys remember the same pop-up? Wait 1 second, this is very cool. The same pop-up from before. It's going to come up, but it's going to be a different name. Doesn't really matter, just press cancel again.
Go back to your settings. You guys know the process already. Settings.
That's it. And I'm already here, but you guys know general, scroll to the bottom, profile, device management, sometimes. Doesn't really matter. And then go iPhone and change the iPhone
name doesn't really make a difference.
But this one's usually the same name. And you press trust the developer. Press trust is fully safe. Now there's one more step in settings, but there it opens by itself, okay? So now just regular, oops, don't open that. Double click everything, Now you just press next tool right there. Press it. Then see that circle in the middle?
Yeah.
Very careful. Take your finger, put it really high. Go down in slow motion for dramatic effect.
Oh, that's
okay. You guys can't see that, so just press it. Press allow. Then it's gonna take your settings, ask you for your password if you have one. I don't have one on here. You just press open tutu. Bet me on tutu. And for free movies, I usually use Bobby Movies right here.
That's gonna be hopefully in a different video.
If you need it, it'll be in a different video.
Comment down below if you want to see Bobby Movies.
So they have a lot of movie stuff, hacked games. To get hacked games, you basically just search like infinite coins there. Or if you're thinking of a game like Minecraft or something, you can get
Minecraft Pocket Edition right away. The first thing.
Minecraft.
By the way, if stuff come up in Chinese that you can't understand, just finish the word and search it up. And
here, look, Minecraft Pocket Edition right there. Just press get.
And it tells you the percentage. That's nice.
Then you just go to Manager and it's installing there. First it installs on the app, then it installs on the phone
itself.
It's a very weird thing. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll be back when that's done again. Okay, we're back again. Now, as you see, this, well, right here, tutu.com would like to install Minecraft Pocket Edition. Just press install. They're gonna ask you. They usually ask you twice. Oh, that was quick. They usually ask you twice. If they ask you twice, don't worry. Press install the first one, second one, don't. Wow, that's
the greatest part about this app is that you can get apps that usually cost money on the App Store, and you get them for free. Like Minecraft is what, $6?
$7, yeah.
$7.
A lot of them, they say the price. Look, $3.99 right there, and then it's crossed out, and then get it for free.
Guys, this I can almost promise is really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get this type
of Minecraft. It's gonna glitch my recorder because it's switching from side to side. So look, I'm gonna open it right now. If it glitches, I'll open it and I'll start the recording. We're back now, and since it's not the real version, there's gonna be more ads than usual, but not that many. So you just press allow, exit, X that also on the bottom.
And just if you guys
and now it's like regular Minecraft. Play. Create, and then you can play Minecraft.
Comment down below. Remember, you guys saw Bobby Movie. Comment down below if you guys want to see that video. Hopefully we'll make that soon.
And there's Minecraft. So I'll meet you back in tutu. Okay, so now we're back. I've been meaning to address something that happened a little bit while ago. You know.
Can I address it?
Fine, go.
So
do my channel.
The fastest way we have to do this, because we don't have a lot of time, is the hacker got hacked. He pretty much got hacked. And we know who you are, and we know where you live. We don't actually.
We know his name.
We know his name. We know his channel.
YouTube channel name, his Instagram. You know.
You want to say something about his Instagram? No. Okay.
So basically, I was talking to this guy. I was talking, wow, I'm a big fan. I'm like, oh, thank you. And then he's like, what's your YouTube name again? I'm like, oh, you're a fan, so you should know. He's like, yeah, don't worry. He's like, oh, Crazy Kid Hacker. And he's like, oh, thank you. I'm like, for what? And he's like, check your YouTube. I open YouTube, and it says, please sign in. And I'm like, I try the password. I check my email, and then my email also says, password has been changed. And then YouTube never helped me. Google never helped me. So basically, I lost my channel.
Right.
I had 7,000, if you guys remember.
7,000? Oh my god. Can we tell the story of the license plate?
No.
Okay, fine.
Why we don't tell people's license plate? What's wrong?
It's not somebody's license
plate. What's wrong with you, boy?
Ow!
Okay. So basically, that's about it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like, and share.
Like this video, comment down below.
Dream big, live bigger. Stay crazy.
Keep hacking.
That's my line, but I'm trying to remember it. Stay crazy, keep hacking. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!